Should you use a divorce service in Riverside County? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're considering divorce in Riverside County and looking to avoid expensive attorney fees, you might be wondering, should you use a divorce service instead? The short answer is yes, if your case is amicable and you want to save time, money, and stress. Using a divorce service makes the most sense when both spouses are in agreement and simply need help getting the paperwork done right. In Riverside County, the court is strict about document formatting, disclosures, and procedure. Even one mistake can cause your case to be rejected or delayed. That's where a professional divorce service comes in. We recently worked with a couple who started their divorce on their own using online forms. After multiple court rejections and months of back and forth, they reached out to us. We reviewed their documents, corrected the errors, filed everything properly, and had their divorce finalized within weeks. At Divorce 661, we specialize in court-approved, flat-fee divorce services for couples in Riverside County. We handle everything: filings, disclosures, settlement agreements, and electronic court submission, so you don't have to worry about making a mistake or going to court. If you're looking for a faster, easier, and more affordable way to finalize your divorce in Riverside County, visit Divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation today. We'll take care of the details so you can focus on moving forward.